Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing my kind of Valentine's Day makeup, and I think I kind of made my look very well.
I hear you knock, 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 baby, come on up. I hope you got something in your cup. Cause I'm 3 shots deep, and I ain't trying to sleep. Get your Red Bull on, cause I'm ready. You've been playing hard to get with me.
Actually, this makeup is inspired by Julia Dunn, who's running her YouTube channel, TheLineUp. I saw her Instagram pic, this one. It's orange-ish makeup, but she also put a lot of glitters on her eyes, and so I thought it's gonna be fun to follow her makeup and also do my kind of Valentine's makeup, and here it is. I also thought this makeup is really good to do on Valentine's Day because it puts a lot of glitters in her eyes and some blusher, like overall like orange-ish makeup. So I thought it's gonna be fun to just nail it and mimicking it and do my kind of Valentine's Day makeup. Okay, without further ado, let's get right into the makeup. So right now I'm done with skincare, so I'm just gonna start out with a sunscreen. It's Innisfree Daily UV Protection Cream Mild. It's really gentle on your face. I've been using this product for about over 2 years and it's really good. Now moving on to concealer and foundation. I'm using this Fit Me concealer from Maybelline and the color is Tan Light. Sorry, the package got so dirty, but just ignore it please. And instead of my fingertip or a sponge, I'm just going to use the puff. Comes with this cushion. It's clear kill cover conceal cushion and the color is linen. I became a cushion person instead of a foundation person these days because it's so easy to use and saves me so much time in the morning. So I've been loving to use cushion. But this kill cover conceal cushion is super pigmented, so make sure to take a little bit of it. I usually use it towards the outside of my face because I already set the concealer in the center of my face. Okay, this is the reference for my makeup today. Just letting you guys know again, I got inspired by Julia Dunn, who went solo as a TheLineUp channel. So for color makeup, I'm gonna start it with a blusher. I'm going to use a natural creamy blusher. It's Soft Cream Cheek Blusher from Amuse. They are Korean beauty brand, and these blushers, the packaging is freaking cute. These are like lip tint shape, and the applicator is a star shape. It's so cute. It really makes my skin look natural and pretty and doesn't make my skin cakey at all. So I've been preferring using this way more than other powder type blushers. For today's makeup, I'm gonna apply this pink shade first, just right onto my cheekbones, and then apply this orange shade on the shade pink. But make sure to blend it well when you use any cream type blushers. And now I'm gonna set the concealer, the cushion, the blusher, everything I've applied with this Innisfree No 7 Mineral Powder. They have compact type and this powder type. I don't know what difference they have, but I just like the powder one better. And I'm taking this powder on my eyebrows, around my eyelids, and the outside of my face because I don't want my hair to get sticky on my face. I'm also applying it on my T-zone and nose to control some oils. Now moving on to eye makeup. First up, I'm taking this eyeshadow from Bia, and the color is Charm. It's like beige, brownish color, a very neutral color. Bia is also a Korean beauty brand. They are very famous for their shadow products. So I'm just gonna use it as a base shadow as well. I'm taking this Charm shadow all over my eyelids. It's not super pigmented color, so I need to apply this like 3 to 4 times. And this time, I'm just using my fingertips. So I looked up Julia Dunn's pictures again and I thought, okay, I need some glitter makeup. So I'm gonna use this Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette for my makeup today. They have pink to burgundish colors, some cherry colors, but they also have some lovely glitters, which I love most, and they all are super pigmented shadows. I swatched whole colors in this palette in my previous videos, so if you didn't watch it yet, go check it out, I'll link it up here. And for my Valentine's Day makeup look, I'm going to use some glitter shadows in this palette. And this purple eyeshadow brushes are from Kumo collaboration with Sin. So for another base shadow, I took this glitter shadow from Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette, and the color is Bang Bang. I want to put as much glitter as I can, so I just decided to put some glitters from the beginning. I'm applying this glitter all over my eyelids, but also applying this at the inner corner of my eyes to highlight more. By the way, I prefer to use my fingertips when I take some glitters because I just think this way swatches better. Also, don't forget to put this on the outer corner of the eyelids and blend it. And moving on to the next shadow, I'm going to use this juicy color also from Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. And I'm going to apply it mainly on the outer corner of my eyelids and smudge it towards the middle of my eyelids. But for people who don't have double eyelids like me, make sure not to take it too much over your eyelids because that will make your eyes look so swollen. Just take it close to your eyelids and smudge it all over your eyelids towards the center, towards the inner corner with the remaining shadow on the brush. Okay, we're almost done with eyeshadows. Last but not least, I'm using this privacy shadow from Urban Decay to give some more highlights on my eyes. I'm also going to use at the outer corner of my eyelids, but I'm not going to smudge it all over my eyes because it's a pretty dark shade, so it just needs to be focused just right on my eyelids. Also, it's going to be kind of like a base for eyeliner later, so draw it on the area for eyeliner. From the middle of the eyes to a bit more past the end of eyes. And oh well, I think my eyes look swollen a little bit. Well, as I told you guys before in my video, I'm still learning makeup, so please cut me some slack. So I'm just gonna put some cushion right under my brows to cover the shadows up. Alright, now we're on the stage of eyebrows. I'm going to use two products to draw my brows. I'm starting out with two shadows from Tarte Left. I'm gonna mix these two colors, Multitasker and Fashionista, and brush it away a bit. I usually draw my eyebrows from the beginning of it. Well, some people say you should start from the middle or you should start from the end, but I just feel easier to start from the beginning, so that's the way I've been using. And I pretty have a lot of brow hairs, so I'm not gonna like draw it. I'll just draw it so my brows can look natural. So I start from the beginning and in the middle. In the middle, I try to lower it a little bit because my brows are kind of arch-shaped, so I like to lower my eyebrows overall. And after filled up the beginning and the middle with the Tarte shadows, I'm gonna take this Nature Republic Oud Eyebrow Deep Gray shade. And I'm just gonna use it just at the end of my eyebrows. Eyebrow pencils are for me. It's easier to shape my brows, especially the end of the brows, so I prefer to use pencil type for the edge of it. And I'm gonna finish up with brushing my brow hairs upward and outward to give a feathered look. Now, before moving on to a eyeliner, I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply mascara first. It's Shiseido Eyelash Curler. It's already known as the best beauty product, so no words needed. And I'm just gonna curl my lashes all the way up. Actually, I'm stuck at curling my lashes. Anyway, curl all the way up, and I'm gonna apply mascara just on my upper lashes. And this mascara is Volume and Curl Mascara from Kiss Me. And before moving on to the eyeliner, my face looks so pale, so I'm just gonna put some lip tints first. Eyeliner. I'm going to use two products to draw eyeliners. First off, I'm grabbing Urban Decay palette again, and I'm gonna use Privacy color with this tight line brush, and it will be a guideline for pencil eyeliner later. So I start drawing it from the point in between the middle and the 2/3 of my eyelids. Then just draw it naturally till the end. And I also apply a bit of Privacy shadow on my lower lash lines, just from the middle to the end, and just slightly applied it. Since I don't have any double eyelids, so I need to draw it a little bit and check my eyes through the mirror and draw it a little more again and check it again. Just a slight step by step, then I can make the look. Next up, to make my eyes more fierce, I'm taking this clear waterproof pencil liner, and the color is brown. I'm gonna apply this right on the area where I used the Urban Decay shadow, so my eyes can look more clear and more fierce. Alright, we're over halfway there. This is my favorite part of makeup. Glitters on the eyes are important too, but I think highlighters are really important to make your look more glam, more shiny, more Valentine's Day-ish. So I don't do eye makeup daily, but I do use a highlighter every day as a point makeup. I'm gonna use a natural highlighter. This is Stella Heaven's Hue Highlighter, Kitten Shade 1, and I'm using with Air Down brush. I'm gonna apply this on my cheekbones and connect it to the middle of my cheek and my nose, edge of my nose, a cupid's bow, and that's it. Now shading. The best key beauty item so far is Art Class by Rodin Shading from Too Cool for School. It comes with 3 different colors, beige, dark beige, and brown. And I'm grabbing this brush. I don't know where it is from, but it's a perfect size for a shading brush, so I'm using it. And I'm gonna mix all 3 colors and brush away a little bit. And for today's makeup, Julia Dong, she highlighted her cheekbones, so I'm also gonna shade mainly under my cheekbones and my chin. And also shade my nose a little bit, from under my brow bones to the middle of the nose. And slightly shade the outside of my face. Finally, we are on lip makeup. I took this Urban Decay Comfort Matte Lipstick, and the color is Trip. Their packaging is pretty as always, and even the color is so pretty. And one thing I was surprised about this lipstick is it's matte lipstick, but compared to others, it doesn't make your lips cakey. It's not like matte, so I think it's really good to use it in wintertime also. I'm gonna apply this all over my lips and then blend it a little bit with my fingertip. And that's it for my makeup. Once I throw on this bow, chicka wow wow, what you gonna say? You act like you gon' lean, but I know that you gon' say, break it down, dick it down, don't even play. Once I set the mood right, I'ma make it sound like. So this is it for my kind of Valentine's makeup look video. I really had fun in filming this video. And what are you guys doing on Valentine's Day? And it's soon. I'm so excited to spend my 2019 Valentine's Day with my boyfriend. I'll be in LA at the time. I hope you guys will have a great time as me, and I thought it's gonna be fun to make a video for Valentine's Day. And I know a lot of you guys are preparing for Valentine's Day present, for makeup, for outfits, so I thought it's gonna be fun to make video like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have really fun filming and making this video, and I think I kind of nailed TheLineUp's makeup. Yeah. And if you guys want to see any videos like fashion, beauty, or cafe adventures, just let me know, comment down below. I'll definitely let you guys know. I'll definitely get some ideas from you guys. And if you guys enjoy watching it, please hit the like button or subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Happy Valentine's Day!